Hello friends, thanks for joining me today. Today is a Sunday and I wish you a happy Sunday. So today in today's video, I'll be treating a topic called how to get rid of or how to remove double chain. So what is double chain? Double chain is a fold of fat under a person's chain that looks like another chain. So, you see that it does not look good at all. As for me, I don't like it, and I'm sure you will not like it. What are the causes of double chain? 1. Aging. 2. Weight gain. 3. Genetics. And 4. Poor posture. Poor posture weakens the muscles around the neck and the chain, thereby giving you a double chain. What are the disadvantages, or how do you feel when you have double chain? 1. It disfigures you. 2. You feel insecure about your face. And 3. You look older compared to your normal age. What are the advantages or the benefits, or how you feel when you get rid of your double chain? 1. You have a new look. 2. Your confidence is increased. And 3. You look younger compared to your normal age. There are tips, tricks, and techniques or methods that we can use to get rid of double chain. 1. Tools. Tools such as the facial roller massagers can help to eliminate the appearance of double chain under the chain. Accessories. Accessories such as facial bandages can help with regular use to burn the fat under a person's chin. Three. Creams, oils, and facial masks. There are facial masks, creams, and oils in the market that can help to easily remove the fat under the chin. 4. There are different types of exercises that you can do regularly in order to remove the double chain under the chin of the face. The best exercise is of chewing a sugar-free gum. The second exercise is of the head up and down exercise. And the number 3 exercise is of the head rolling exercise. These exercises boost the circulation of blood around the face and thereby helping to eliminate the extra fat found under the chin of the face. With surgeries, you get rapid results, but the results are not permanent. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.